I just got this in the mail from Sears. Just want to show how awful it is. There's no tears. Try not to show my address on it. Original stuff is sticking to it. I didn't retape it or nothing. There is a note in it, probably the invoice, but there's nothing in it. It's supposed to be a big socket set. There's nothing in it. So I opened it, decided after I seen what was in it to make another video, add this onto it. You may see it pieced together. Opened it, obviously there's no sockets in there. Instead of sending me an email, I used my Shop Your Way points, so I did notice some of my points came back. So it could be a computer error, but no, it's returned. They mailed me a paper to say they didn't ship it. Why Sears is going out of business.